Well, today we're going to be installing a little drawer unit that fits under a wall cabinet. Looks like this. Here it is. It just has a drawer that pulls out like that. Has nice runners on it. And it fits right under a wall cabinet. Now, I prefer to use a drill similar to this, with the attachment on there for driving Phillips screws. And you can just hold that cabinet in place if you want while you're drilling it. But I'd rather use the clamp. So I use this clamp, and I'm going to use this clamp today. And we're going to install this cabinet in these wall cabinets behind me. They come in different sizes. You might find these in a builder store, but for sure you can get this on Amazon. Different sizes, probably different colors. We'll give you some links at the end of this video, or in the description. We'll put some links in the description. Okay, let's go ahead and get this ready for mounting. Take my trusty little clamp with me. I'm going to put it right up where it goes. Goes right here. You get it semi-tight there so that you can wiggle it to get it into position. And then tighten it up a little more. And then it's holding one end up real good. The other end kind of sags a little bit, but it's ready to put together. Get my trusty drill. And you pull the drawer out all the way like that. Tighten this a little more. Alright, that's exactly where I want it. It has pre-drilled holes in the frame here. You just run your finger across there till you find one. You only need one on each side. Put the screw in there. Get your drill. Get it on that screw. That's one side. And I noticed that it's off just a little bit, so I'll loosen up this clamp. Push this in just a hair. Clamp it back up and put in the second screw. Keep the drawer pulled out. Take the clamp off. And there you have a drawer. It's pretty simple. With two people you don't need a clamp, but I always use a clamp. One person or two, doesn't matter. Pull it all the way out, you can see right in it. Drawer opens all the way because of those slides. Here it is with the cabinet door shut. And there you have it. Okay, so that's that. It's pretty nifty. Lots of storage space there. Of course, this here particular one doesn't match those cabinets. It should have been white, but this is what we had to use, so that's what we used. But you can paint them any color you want. hang them in there, and you've got extra storage space where you didn't use it before. Just nothing but air other than that. Just turn air into a little storage space. You can't put a lot of big things in there, but you can sure put some small ones. So, look in the description. You'll see some links to Amazon where you can purchase some of these. And good luck.